Yo, what's up? Back with another vid. Honestly, I think I'm the freaking fastest player in this game. Not gonna lie. Look at that. So I can just like.
Yo, save yourself.
Almost hit him.
So what we're gonna be doing today is just playing Leaps, like usual.
I just fly down into
Because we have no video ideas at
Bob the
ever.
Bug.
Alright.
Tuna, you still have your private? Yeah, I do.
Hey guys,
Let's go. I've not seen it's been so long.
It has.
So long.
It has. Come on.
Trying to
Tell me
freaking
when
shoot
you're
me?
ready. Tell me when...
I'm Mr. Lab Rat.
I swear to God, did you just call me a lab rat?
Fat butt. It twerks.
Boot. Wait.
I tell you.
See ya. See ya.
Yeah, you are one.
See ya. You just called me a lab rat and I hate it. I hate when people call me a lab rat. It just gets annoying.
Gorilla cannot point people's good eyes.
You're trying to break people's eyes?
I don't know what kind of creature I am.
Ah, what the hell is that for? I'm faster than you. I'm stuck inside the. Look how fast I am, bro. I'm running faster than you, bro.
How's the world being vertical for you? Wait, am I saying that right?
Hey guys, look. Yeah, y'all want the rare pillow block? Yeah, you want to wear pillow block.
No one gets a No one gets a flying fuck off of your color. I have a question.
Bruh.
That's
I'm
toxicity.
just listening.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I can just go put up in there.
That's stupid.
Oh! Ouchie!
This is good.
No!
This is Jeremy.
No!
You know exactly what they are, bro. No,
Yeah,
those are his people.
Bro, he has to carry the features of his children.
Like that?
Boy, what the
You
heck?
have to carry his. He has to carry.
Sorry, I got
his
visited.
Bro, did you even hear what they said?
Those are his bum cheeks.
Clear this, bro!
Guys, we also gotta add foot fungus for
Oh, what the
our
frick?
children. We also have
We're
foot fungus.
introduced to trouble for some reason, but I don't know.
I love
La-
Jeremy.